Government spending, or more clearly stated, government borrowing, will impact your retirement. Over the course of just 1 year, the amount our government borrows is astounding, and this borrowing may hit you hard in the future. This year, the United States will spend a little over $1,200 each 1/100th of a second, and of that, 520 is borrowed money. So in each second, your government spends more than $121,000 and has to borrow over $52,000. To put the amount borrowed into perspective, the average U.S. wage earner takes in a little over $53,000 after taxes. So what it takes an average individual a year to earn, the government borrows that much money each second. In just 1 day, we spend over $10.4 billion, borrowing more than $4.5 billion each day. To put that day's spending into perspective, if we took the combined salaries of all the players in the NFL, MLB, NBA, NHL, along with the total winnings of everybody on the PGA Tour and NASCAR, we'd get just $9.4 billion. And remember, $1 billion is a little more than 10 pallets of stacked $100 bills. Over 1 month, we spend more than $318 billion, and we need to borrow over $137 billion each month. To put a month's spending into perspective, the total amount of profit of every company in the Fortune 500 last year was just $391 billion. So what the government spends in 1 month, it takes the top 500 companies about a year to earn in profit. And over the course of 2011, we'll spend over $3.81 trillion, and we'll need to borrow $1.64 trillion. To put that into perspective, all the billionaires listed on the Forbes 400, the richest people on the planet, have only a combined net worth of just $1.29 trillion. And that's just 1 year's worth of borrowing. If we add up all the other years we spent more than we took in, that total adds up to over $15 trillion. So how do we pay off $15 trillion in debt? Well, we've already seen that we can't get it from the billionaires, millionaires, or companies. So who's left to pay it? You are. While we all would like to think taxes will be lower in the future, with this out-of-control government borrowing, the likelihood of higher taxes seems inevitable.